Recently, this Dhurandhar movie-style photo trend has absolutely blown up on Instagram, and today I'm giving you the exact prompt you need plus a quick guide on how to create the same high-quality look in just seconds. First, open Google on your phone or computer and go to Gemini AI. Drag a clear, well-lit photo of yourself into the chat box, or upload it by tapping the plus icon. Then paste the prompt I've placed in the pinned comment directly into the chat box. Here's the key part, switch the model to the thinking mode to ensure you get the best image results. Once that's done, hit submit and wait for it to generate. Look at that, the photo's done. From the lighting to the overall details, it basically looks like a movie poster, right? Finally, I have a product called Pixpretty that can help you generate AI photos, remove the background from photos for free, and create 3D figurines. If you want more of these trending AI prompts or fun editing tricks, make sure to follow my channel. I'll be sharing the newest photo editing techniques every day. Don't forget to like and follow. See you in the next video.